In 2011, VZMD, the Pan-Slavenian Shareholders Association, will embark on its 6th year of institutionalized work. We are proud that this year and years past, we have been dependable and effective advocates for the rights and interests of small shareholders at numerous company assemblies and in general in the Republic of Slovenia. We have remained a credible and reputable proponent not only of the amendment and betterment of various legislation, but also of the acceptance of future relevant positive decisions of many companies. In the broader socio-economical European and international context, we have also been included as a full-fledged member of related global associations, including the European Shareholders Association, the European Federation of Investors, and the World Federation of Investors Corporations. So far, we have been poised in many adverse and unpleasant situations, under numerous pressures and without any public funded or budgeted resources, and have succeeded in establishing a respected institution and will continue to foster our planned goals and mission. The Pan-Slavenian Shareholders Association will continue to unceasingly preserve the interests of small shareholders, protect the balance of processes and decision-making of companies, and contribute to the constant improvement of the financial markets and ultimately the economic status of individuals and the commonwealth of society.